guys, so my name's Liv and I work for Mint and I do our festivals. So at the moment we're at Heritage Live, which is in Sandringham. It's really beautiful, but first of all I'm going to talk you through kind of how you get booked onto the shifts and then the first thing to do. So after you've been booked on by one of our team, you will get a notification to get your ID. We need a form of ID, so passport, driving licence or a BRP card if you're limited to how many hours you can do. Once that's all set up, you'll get a notification on our app, which is called Ubeya. You just need to confirm the shift. And then what's really, really important is every single morning of every single shift, you get another notification and you just need to reconfirm that as well. Once you've got that shift and you know where you're going, we will send out a what 3 words location. That will tell you exactly where you need to go and bring you to our lovely check-in tent. My lovely assistant. Okay, so the last thing as well is you need to arrive 30 minutes before your shift. That's so we can get you accredited, we can get you signed in, and we can get you a wristband. There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.